Okay, out sending it today with Rick. He's over there on our 250s. Here's where my drone crashes. But the trail, we came up on the trail and it was blocked, like super blocked. So yeah, we came up on 15 and it looked like this. And there was a little tiny trail to go around it. And it looked like this. And I had to do this because, are you freaking kidding me? We literally had to ride under some trees and around some shit to get here. And that shit was intense. Anyway, so worth it. So much fun. But had to show you guys. Oh my God.